Hello students, now we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 4.1 and the question is fill in the boxes with correct symbol with correct symbol as greater than or equal to or less than. ओके, तो इस क्वेश्चन में हम इन सिंबल्स को पुट करेंगे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द गिवन रेशनल नंबर. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज -3/7. Here it is given a box and 2/3. In this question, in the given boxes, we will want to fill any symbol given here that is greater than or equal to or less than. Okay, so how can we find the given rational number is the first rational number is greater than second rational number, or the first rational number is equal to second rational number, or the first rational number is less than second rational number. इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कंपेयर द गिवन रेशनल नंबर. ठीक है, तो कंपेयर करने के सबसे इजी वे होता है कि हम दोनों रेशनल नंबर को कंपेयर करने के लिए उनके डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करेंगे. दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर को क्या करेंगे? सेम करेंगे. तो डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टेक एलसीएम ऑफ द फ्रॉम द गिवन डिनोमिनेटर्स. The LCM of 7 and 3, LCM of 7 and 3, that is 21. Okay, so make denominator of the first rational number is 21 and the denominator of the second rational number is also 21. Okay, now divide 21 by 7, we will get 3. And 3 multiplied with -3 gives -9. Now 3 divided 21 up to 7 times and 7 multiplied with gives 14. Okay, अब यहाँ पे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. The denominator of the given two rational number is same, so we compare the rational number on the basis of their denominator. The denominator of the first rational number is -9 and the denominator of second rational number is 14, and we will know -1 is less than 14, so we can say the first rational number is less than second rational number, and we put the sign which is given here as this. So -3/7 is less than 2/3. Okay, now second part of question number 4, that is part B, and the question is -2/5, fill in the blanks, -3/6. ओके, दोनों क्या है? दोनों नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर है, तो इसको भी लाइक सेम वे we first of all we will find out the LCM of the given rational number, that is LCM of 5 and 6, that is 30. We make denominator of the first rational number is 30 by dividing 30 with 5 we will get 6, and when 6 multiplied with 2 -2 gives -12. Now make the denominator of the second rational number is 30 and divide 30 by 6, we will get 5, and 5 multiplied with 3 gives -15. Now in the given two rational number, the denominator is same, so we can compare the given rational numbers on the basis of their denominator. The denominator of first rational number is -12 and the denominator of second rational number that is -15, and we will know that -12 is greater than minus 15. Okay, so the rational number minus 2 by 5 is greater than minus 3 by 6, and we will put the sign greater than here. Okay, so minus 2 by 5 is greater than minus 3 by 6. In the same way, we can solve the third part of question number 4, and the question is compare 1 by minus 3 to 1 by minus 2. Okay, 1 by minus 3 to 1 by minus 2. तो कंपेयर करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको ये बताया गया है, सबसे पहला काम हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों रेशनल नंबर को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए दो तरीका होता है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कन्वर्ट द रेशनल नंबर इन इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, and then we will examine the denominator of the given rational number is positive or negative. If it is negative, then we convert it into positive. So denominator को पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों जगह हम -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। ओके, सो हियर दिस इज -1. Now the second rational number is 1 by minus 2. This is not in the form of this is not in standard form, so we can convert it by multiplying the numerator and denominator by -1. We will get -1 by 2. ठीक है, so हमने क्या किया कि दोनों रेशनल नंबर्स को इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया। द फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर कन्वर्ट इनटू -1 by 3 and the second rational number convert into -1. ओके, अब यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे, कंपेयर करेंगे। कंपेयर करने के लिए आपको बताया गया है क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर और दोनों के न्यूमरेटर का एलसीएम लेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड आउट एलसीएम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द गिवन रेशनल नंबर, दैट इज एलसीएम ऑफ 2 by 2 and 3 is 6. We convert the denominator of the first rational number to 6, means 6 3 divided 6 up to 2 times, and 2 multiplied -1 gives -2. Okay, so this rational number -1 by 3 converted in its equivalent rational number, that is -2 by 6. Now convert the second rational number, the denominator is 6, 2 divided 6 up to 3 times, and 3 multiplied -1 gives -3. Okay, so -3 by 6 is equivalent rational number to 1 by -2. Okay, now compare the given two rational numbers on the basis of their numerators, because denominators of the given rational numbers are same. So the denominator of first rational number, that is -2, and numerator of the first rational number, that is -2, and numerator of the second rational number, that is -3, and we know -2 greater than -3. Okay, so in this way we can say the fraction or the rational number -2 by 6, which is equivalent to 1 by 3, is greater than the rational number -3 by 6, which is equivalent to 1 by -2. Means the rational number 1 by -3 is greater than the rational number 1 by -2, and we put the sign greater than here. Okay, so we can, in this way we can put the sign greater than here, and by comparing the given two rational numbers. Okay, now move on fifth question. Now move on fifth question. The question is write in ascending order. The fifth question is write in ascending order. write in ascending order. So how can we write a rational number in ascending order? We will discuss on next video. Okay? How can we write any given rational numbers in ascending order, which is discussed on next video.